Hi, and welcome back to CRMJIO. Today, we are going to show you how to use the Trade-In Zone, where you can buy, sell, and manage all your secondhand and refurbished devices super easily. Let's go!
Head over to the left side menu and click on Trade-In Zone. And just like that, you are on the Trade-In Zone dashboard, your one-stop place for managing all secondhand and refurbished devices. Now, to buy a device from a customer, click on Buy Device. A form will appear. Fill in the category, brand, model number, serial or IMEI number, product condition, functionality checks, and the seller's ID details. Double check everything and click Next. Now upload the images of the device and hit Submit. And boom! Device successfully bought and recorded. To sell a device, click on Sell Device. Select the customer from your list or click Add New to add them instantly. Then select the device and accessories, choose the warranty, enter the discount and tax details, select the payment mode and click Submit. And boom! Invoice is successfully created and ready to print in different sizes. Now want to add refurbished products in bulk? Go to the Inventory section, click Import, then click Download Template. Fill in your product details in the Excel sheet, come back to CRMJIO, upload the file, and boom! All your products are successfully imported in one go. And that's the Trade-In Zone on CRMJIO. Buying, selling, and bulk importing made super simple and fast. Thank you for watching.